Imagine a world where $18 million buys you. Not just a car, but a masterpiece on wheels. This isn't just any car, it's a marvel of engineering and design, a symbol of ultimate luxury and exclusivity. Not just any car, the most expensive car ever sold. So rare, most will only see it in photos. Meet the Rolls-Royce Boattail, a car that transcends the ordinary. Only 3 were ever made, each one custom-built for its owner, reflecting their unique tastes and desires, a true symbol of exclusivity and luxury. So, at $28 million, the Rolls-Royce Boattail is a rolling masterpiece of unparalleled craftsmanship. Each of the 3 bespoke creations is a testament to exquisite design, featuring intricate details and the finest materials. Inspired by luxury yachts and coach-built cars from the 1920s and 30s, the Boattail is handcrafted by the finest artisans. It features bespoke elements and meticulous attention to detail. The rear opens like a butterfly to reveal a hosting suite with parasols and crystal glasses, ready for a champagne moment anywhere. The interior boasts custom leatherwork, rare wood veneers and precision-engineered components, ensuring an unparalleled experience of opulence and comfort. Who owns it? Still a mystery. Rumors suggest power couples like Jay-Z and Beyoncé, but Rolls-Royce, they're silent, that's the charm. Secrecy, exclusivity, the story only a few know. Whispers in elite circles, a tale of opulence and intrigue adding to the car's mystique. Who owns this masterpiece? Still a mystery. Whispers suggest Jay-Z and Beyoncé, but Rolls-Royce, they're not revealing anything. That's the allure. Secrecy, exclusivity, a tale only the elite can tell, making the Boattail even more enigmatic. This isn't just about horsepower. The Boattail isn't breaking records, it's breaking expectations. A statement of art, legacy and identity, a dream on 4 wheels. Each detail, from the bespoke interior to the custom emblem, tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage, making it a true work of art. Some say it's outrageous, others call it breathtakingly beautiful. One thing's for sure, the Rolls-Royce Boattail is an unparalleled masterpiece, leaving an indelible mark on the world of luxury. Its presence is a testament to the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Share your thoughts on this masterpiece in the comments below. What do you think about the Rolls-Royce Boattail? Is it a symbol of ultimate luxury or an extravagant indulgence? Let us know your views. For more interesting videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe and click on the notification. For more update, thank you for watching.